TechMax, your one-stop platform. Social media. It's where we spend hours every day, sharing our lives, connecting with others, and discovering new things. But for businesses, it's more than just a place to share cute cat videos or family photos. It's a powerful marketing tool. Welcome to the world of social media marketing. In the next few minutes, we're going to dive into why social media marketing is essential for businesses today, and how you can use it to grow your brand. First, let's talk about why social media marketing is a game changer. The average person spends nearly 2.5 hours a day on social media. That's a lot of time, and it's exactly where your potential customers are hanging out. There are over 4.7 billion people using social media worldwide, which means no matter what industry you're in, your audience is out there, waiting to be engaged. Whether you're a local business, an online store, or a service-based company, social media offers a unique opportunity to connect directly with your customers. But social media marketing isn't just about posting random pictures and hoping for the best. It's about creating a strategy that resonates with your target audience. Let's break that down. First up, awareness. Social media is the perfect place to get noticed. By sharing engaging, shareable content, whether it's a post, video, or story, you're increasing visibility. Hashtags, trends, and collaborations can help you expand your reach far beyond your current followers. Next, let's talk about engagement. Social media isn't just about pushing your product, it's about starting conversations. Responding to comments, liking posts, and sharing user-generated content can turn followers into a community. Building relationships with your audience makes them more likely to trust your brand and, ultimately, become customers. And then, of course, conversion. This is where social media marketing shows its true potential. Through targeted ads, strategic promotions, and clear calls to action, you can turn followers into loyal customers. And the best part? You can track exactly what works and adjust your approach in real time. Which brings us to one of the biggest advantages of social media marketing: measurable results. With built-in analytics tools on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, you can track the success of your posts, ads, and campaigns. How many people saw your post? How many clicked? How many made a purchase? This data lets you refine your strategy to get even better results. Creating a successful social media marketing plan starts with understanding your audience. Who are they? What do they care about? Once you know that, you can craft content that speaks directly to them. And remember, consistency is key. Regular posting, along with engaging with your followers, helps to keep your brand top of mind. Content is at the heart of social media marketing. But the best content isn't always promotional, it's valuable. Educational tips, behind-the-scenes glimpses, user stories, and even some humor can go a long way in building an authentic relationship with your audience. And don't forget about reviews and testimonials. Social proof is incredibly powerful. Encouraging happy customers to share their experiences on your social channels can influence others and build trust in your brand. At the end of the day, social media marketing is about making connections, connecting with your audience, your customers, and even other businesses. When done right, it can help you build brand loyalty, increase sales, and grow your business in ways you never imagined. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your current strategy, remember, social media is more than just a platform, it's a tool for growth. Start engaging, start sharing, and start seeing the results. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing! Join TechMax, your all-in-one digital marketing hub to skyrocket your business growth.